If you watch my one of my first avocado videos, I was showcasing this bacon. It is like taking off like crazy. So we got fruit, which I was excited about, even though the flowering came and went and it didn't seem like any fruit kind of stuck. But eventually one or two or three stuck, and I was kind of counting them on a weekly basis. I was around 12 fruit that stuck, and then it went down to 8, went down to 6. Right now, today is what, July 25th, 2021. We're down to 3. So here's another casualty. The wife found it on the ground. Like, no. They're still in there, a couple. Let's see if I can find that one or two. I'm afraid to touch it. If I do, it might knock it off. So here it is. I mean, it took off well compared to when I first did my video, which was what, in March of this year. So growing nicely. I have just 3 fruit left. I'm hoping that they kind of stick around and I can get a chance to taste a bacon. But at this point, considering how hot it's been for like the last 4 weeks, today it actually cooled down and it was like 90 degrees was the high. Right now it's like 85 degrees, and 85 degrees at 7 o'clock at night. Kind of warm still, but that's life in Southern California this year, which is kind of odd year because our spring was a little weird because it felt like it started sooner. And we got July heat in June, and we also sustained July heat throughout July. And I remember in years past, you'd get these heat waves that would come in and it would go away, and I feel like this year the heat just kind of stuck around and stayed with us. So even though we had all of that heat, I've been watering this thing nicely, so I think it appreciated the water, but we didn't get as many fruit as I would like. And it's okay because my grove is really young still, and some folks who have a lot more mature trees aren't getting that many fruit also, but there's tons of you guys out there who have smaller trees that have 15, 20, 30 avocados on there. So congratulations, and I wish you guys the best of luck. And hopefully for me, in the coming years, this thing will start to produce like crazy, I hope, and all of my other avocados will start to produce also. So in any case, just a quick little video on my bacon avocado, little update. What do you guys think? Should I try to cut this guy open, I guess, and see what's inside? Maybe wait a couple days, leave it on the shelf to let it soften up. Let's see. So I might have spoken too soon. So yesterday, 7:25, I said that we had 3 left. Today, 7:26, we got 2 left. So the one that I'm pointing at with my thumb was I felt like it might have dropped 4 or 5 days ago. And then this one just dropped yesterday. We had some winds. I think that's kind of what did it. As you can see, the fruit dropped with the stem detached. So I saw a video that somebody posted that actually showed the difference between one that had the stem on there and one without. And essentially the ones that had the stem on that dropped was potentially stress from the tree, and then the ones that he was picking off of the tree where it detached cleanly like this was a healthy fruit. It was just a drop because something mechanical happened, either picked it or wind. So we're down to 2. Wish me luck. Maybe we'll get some fruit that we can taste after all, or maybe not. The 2 that are left are hanging in there, pun intended, I guess. So anyways, we'll be talking later. See you guys.